Hi, my name is Landon Gastelum, and I'm the project manager of the UCSD City of San Diego Fire Station project. Hopefully all of you are staying safe and healthy during this pandemic. With that being said, on behalf of myself and the entire Aztec design and construction team, we are very excited to show you our project and the steps we took in designing our fire station. To get all of you familiar with the project, the City of San Diego is seeking design-build services to construct a new state-of-the-art fire station that will include 3 fire bays, a living quarters for 9 to 11 fire personnel, and many other features spanning over the 10,500 square feet. This fire station will serve as an extra layer of protection to the student body and the campus of UCSD. The first step we took in designing was completing a geotechnical report. During this time, we reached out to Julio Valdez to perform a CPT test. From the data provided by Valdez, we were able to conclude the depth of the water table, what the soil is made of, and its overall strength. With these parameters, Ryan Garofalo, our structural engineer, was able to design all the structural components needed for the building. I'm going to pass it over to Ryan now so he can speak about that more.
Hello, my name is Ryan Garofalo and I am the structural engineer of ADC. Here you can see the general column and beam spacing convention used for this project. Upon initial design, the beams were designed as reinforced concrete. However, after calculations, the required sizes of the concrete beams were very large and not meeting structural needs. Therefore, we decided to use steel beams instead. The columns, footings, and slab were all designed using reinforced concrete due to its significant compressive strength. The footings were designed as a shallow foundation system. However, we recommend a deep pile foundation system for this project due to the large design loads that the fire station must sustain and the poor strength of the first few layers of soil at our site. Also, seismic factors were considered. Due to the location of the site and the seismic design risk category, we recommend the use of a special steel moment resisting frame as shown here. Thank you, and now Chris will talk about the grading, drainage, and utilities aspect of the project.
For the grading and drainage part of the project, we decided to grade the overall site down to 419 feet and install a concrete retaining wall along 75% of the project. This would assure proper grading and sloping so that water that accumulated on site would flow into our storm drain gutters and into our bioretention system. As for the underground utilities, we decided to install domestic water line, fire water line, storm drain, and sewer. Both the storm drain and sewer had to account for proper sloping to make sure that blockage didn't occur, and the domestic line and fire line both were pressurized. Now David will go into detail on the calculations he used to find the area, diameter, and types of pipe to use.
Hi, my name is David Clare and I worked on the water resources section. For stormwater, we are using a 10-inch HDPE 70-foot lateral that connects to a 42-inch RCP main line in the street. I also designed a biobasin to treat all the water from our site. The basin has an area of 1,241 square feet. The biobasin will have a catch basin and a BMP test station. The building will also have roof gutters. For sewer, we are using a 6-inch HDPE 65-foot lateral that connects to a 16-inch RCP mainline in the street. For domestic water, we are using a 4-inch HDPE 45-foot lateral that connects to a 16-inch RCP mainline in the street. For the fire line, we are using a 6-inch HDPE 50-foot lateral that connects to a 16-inch RCP mainline in the street. Now Julio will talk about the transportation part of the project.
In addition of a new fire station on Genesis Avenue will not increase massive traffic flow and therefore will not increase the level of service at any intersection. Aztec Design and Construction strongly recommends the installation of a traffic signal at the driveway of the fire station on North Torrey Pines Road to prioritize for emergency vehicles. For the fire trucks to circulate, the median at the intersection must be removed and an additional dedicated left turn lane shall be added at the intersection southbound of North Torrey Pines Road. It is also recommended to reach out to the City of San Diego to permit for U-turns on North Torrey Pines Road on both Genesis Avenue and North Point Drive to accommodate for the prohibition of left turns. My colleague Blake will now elaborate on the construction of the project.
Our company's scope includes the design and construction of civil site improvements, the building foundation and structure, as well as traffic improvements along North Torrey Pines. The duration of this work will take 5 months, and the hard cost of construction, which does not include our negotiable fee, any design costs, or the cost of general conditions and general requirements, will be just over $2 million.
Thank you all for listening. I look forward to seeing and hearing more from all of you on Design Day.